Good day, this is Boy again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. So for today's video, we have a line trimmer in here and Stihl brand, and the model is FS250. Okay, the problem is the pull start damage. Okay, pull start won't retract, won't come back. What's the problem? I think the problem is the whole pull start assembly, or maybe the spring, or maybe the pole. Let us see. Sometimes the pole is stuck in the rotor. Let's just see what's the problem. Okay, let's go. We'll check it now. We need a Torx wrench, and I modified one of them, and this is the one I do. Okay, easier, faster, and reliable. I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, after you take off this 4 Torx bolt, that's it. You need to check this one. Need to check this. Okay, take this off. This is the pole, the plastic one, and this is the spring. Okay, let's take it off. I'll show you how to take this off. Okay, one, you need to take this off pole. Okay, take this off. After you take this off, then take off the pole. This is the cold pole, and take the rotor, the washer and the rotor. Okay, after that you need to take this off, these two. I think it's been rusted. It's rusted. I think the spring is snapped. Okay, show you. Okay, let's go. Where's my hold a sec. Okay, after you take this off, this rotor starter, the spring, washer, and the pole. Okay, you need this. As you can see, it's already rusted. It means I think the spring is snapped. So you need to take these 2 bolts. Okay, 1, 2, because this is the whole spring assembly. Oh shoot, oh, that's rusted. As you can see, it's really rusted. Okay, rusted. So we can check this if it's snapped. Okay, it's snapped. As you can see, it has 2 parts. That's the one that's snapped. One loop, only one loop snapped. So that's a problem. That's why it won't retract anymore. Okay, we need to order this. So if we order this, the part number is already here. Okay, as you can see, that's the part number 4134195-033A. That's the part number. Okay, that's it. So that's the model, Stihl FS250. Okay, we're gonna order that part number. Okay, that's the part number. That's for me for today. So this is Boyang again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. So thank you. So I hope you learned something to to troubleshoot a broken spring. So that's it. That's for me today. Thank you. Peace out.